Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is which number is bigger. Suppose if I give you few numbers to you, you need to figure out which number is bigger among them. That is today's topic. Okay? To figure out which number is bigger, first you need to understand number series. What is number series? If we put all the numbers on a line with equal distance between them is called number series. That is gap between 0 to 1 is same as gap between 1 to 2, and that gap should be same as 2 to 3. Okay, and on the number series we will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the right side we will have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on. Okay, and this is number series. And one thing to be noted here, for any number on the number series, it will be more than all its previous numbers. That means if we consider a number 5, 5 will be more than all numbers from 0 to 4. And if you consider number 6, 6 will be more than all numbers from 0 to 5. That means if we choose any number, it will be more than all its previous numbers. Okay, that is number series. And see, here 2 is more than 1. Similarly, 3 is more than 2 and 1. And 4 is more than 3, 2 and 1. And 5 is more than 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Similarly, 6 will be higher than 1 to 5. And 7 will be higher than 1 to 6. And 8 will be higher than 1 to 7. And 9 will be higher than all numbers from 1 to 8. And 10 will be higher than all numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, you need to understand this. Okay, and positive numbers, you need to understand what are positive numbers as well. Positive numbers means the numbers that start from 1 and up to infinity are called positive numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to infinity. These numbers are called positive numbers. Okay, so how to find which number is bigger? If I give you two numbers to you, how will you find which number is bigger among them? So there are two simple rules that you need to follow to find out which number is bigger. First of all, you need to see if both the numbers are positive or not. If both are positive, then we have two simple rules. The first rule is, for positive numbers, always higher digit number is bigger than lower digit number. Okay, if we have two numbers which are positive and both are having different number of digits in it, then the number with more number of digits will be higher than number with less number of digits. Okay, this is first rule. And let's see few examples of this rule. Okay, see, here we need to figure out which number is bigger among 13 and 5. See, first of all, are they both positive numbers? See, both will come after 1 and before infinity, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 comes after 4, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So both will come after 1. So both the numbers are positive numbers. Now what you have to do? You are comparing two positive numbers, right? So you need to check number of digits in each of them. See, here 13 got two digits, that is 1 and 3, and 5 got only one digit, that is 5. So 13 got two digits and 5 got only one digit. Since 13 got more digits than 5, that is 2 is more than 1, we will say 13 is higher than 5, or 13 is the bigger number. Understood it, right? 13 got two digits, 5 got only one digit. Since 13 got two digits which is more than 1, 13 will be the bigger number here. Okay, 13 is the bigger number. Let's go to next example. Here we need to figure out which number is bigger among 9 and 13. Again same, both are positive numbers here, and you need to check for the number of digits in each number. Here 9 got only one digit, that is 9, and 13 got two digits, again 1 and 3. So two digits is more than one digit, right? So 13 will be the bigger number here. Simple. 13 will be bigger number here. So among 9 and 13, 13 is bigger number. And in our next example, we got 99 and 113. Again, same, both are positive numbers, and 99 got two digits, 9 and 9, and 113 got three digits, 1, 1, and 3. See, you need to look for number of digits only. You shouldn't look for what are the digits they have. If number of digits are not same, see, it got two digits and it got three digits, you need to compare only the number of digits. Based on the number of digits comparison, we can directly tell which number is bigger. Here 99 got only two digits and 113 got three digits, so 3 is more than 2, so 113 will be the bigger number. Okay, since 113 got more digits than 99, 113 will be bigger number here. Okay, 113 is a bigger number. And here again, which number is bigger? Both are positive numbers. One is 985, another is 1448. See, again 985 got three digits. One is 9, 8, and 5. And 1448 got four digits, 1, 4, 4, and 8. Since 4 is more than 3, the four digit number will be the bigger number. So here 1448 will be the bigger number. Easy, right? See, 14480 will be the bigger number here. And so far we have compared numbers with different number of digits in each. So how will you know if both are having same number of digits? How will you compare them? Then you need to follow second rule. The rule is, again, it is very simple rule. To compare the two numbers with equal number of digits, start from the leftmost digit and move to the right. The number with the higher digit at the first place where the digits differ is the largest number. Okay, that means you need to compare two numbers from leftmost digit to rightmost digit. You need to check for the leftmost digit in the both the numbers and check if both are equal or not. If both are equal, you need to move to the next digit towards right and you need to compare them. If both are again equal, you need to move to the right and compare them. If somewhere both are not equal, then you have to choose which one is bigger. That number will be the bigger number. Okay, let's go through a few examples so that you will understand it. See, we got 54 on the left and 18 on the right. So we need to compare these two numbers. See, here 54 got two digits, 5 and 4, and 18 got two digits again, 1 and 8. Since both are having two digits, so you need to compare from leftmost digit to rightmost digit. So in the first number, the leftmost digit is 5, right? And the second number leftmost digit is 1. So we need to compare the leftmost digit here. So we need to compare 5 and 1. Which one is bigger among 5 and 1? Easy, right? 5 comes after 1. So 5 will be the bigger number. Since 5 is a bigger number than 1, so 54 will be the bigger number here. Okay? You understood it, right? You need to start comparing from leftmost digit to rightmost digit. And if the digits are not same, then you have to check for which digit is bigger. And since 5 is bigger here, this number will be the bigger number. Okay, here 54 is the bigger number. Okay, let's go to our next example. And which number is bigger here among 86 and 79? Okay, again, what we need to do, we need to compare this leftmost digit 8 and 7. Why? Because both got two digits. 86 got two digits, 79 got two digits. So we need to compare leftmost digit here. So leftmost digit in 86 is 8 and the leftmost digit in the 79 is 7. So we need to compare this 8 and 7. So if we compare 8 and 7, which number is bigger here? 8 comes after 7, right? So 8 will be the bigger number. Since 8 is bigger than 7, 86 will be the bigger number here. So bigger number here is 86. Okay, 86 is bigger number. And in our next example, we got 236 and 418. Again, both got 3 digits and 3 digits. So we need to follow the second rule. That is, start comparing from the leftmost digit to right and check for the digit which is bigger. And the number which got bigger digit at first, that will be the bigger number. See, here the leftmost digit here is 2 and the leftmost digit here is 4. Since 2 is not same as 4, we need to compare both of them. So 2 is less than 4, right? So since 4 is more than 2, then 418 will be the bigger number here. Okay, it is very simple, right? See here, 418 is a bigger number. Very simple. And which number is bigger among 6554 and 6548? See, both got 4 digits each. 6554, 6548. Both got 4 digits each. So we need to follow second rule. That is, start comparing from leftmost digit to rightmost digit and check for which digit is bigger first. So we got 6 in this left number and 6 on the right number. Since both are 6, both are same. So we need to move to next digit. So what is the next digit here? Here next digit is 5 and here also next digit is 5. Since both are same again, we need to move to next digit. What is the next digit here? Next digit here is 5 and the next digit here is 4. Since 5 is not same as 4 and 5 is more than 4, this number will be the bigger number. So this number got first digit which is bigger than this, right? So this number will be the bigger number. You understood it now, right? Okay, this is how you need to compare. You need to move from leftmost digit to rightmost digit, and in which number you got the first bigger digit, that number will be the bigger number. Okay, and 6554 is a bigger number here. Okay, and let's compare these two numbers now. We got 133464 on the left side, 9989 on the right side. See, you need to first check if both are positive numbers or not. Since both are very big numbers after 1, so both are positive numbers. And second thing you need to do is you need to check for number of digits in each number. Here the left number got 133464, that is 6 digits, and the right number got only 5 digits. Since both are not same, that is both got different number of digits and 6 is more than 5, right? So the first number with 6 digits will be bigger than second number with 5 digits. So here the first number will be the bigger number. It's very easy, right? So here 133464 is the bigger number. What is 133464? 1,33,464 is the bigger number here. Okay. If you understand how to compare numbers and find out which number is bigger, please give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture.